Yeah, charcoal roasted, the chicken is ready, looking so yummy. Let's check it out how that tastes. So I'm gonna taste the chicken. It looks so juicy and so tender, nicely roasted across. Let me try it out. Wish you a very happy new year to all. Let this new year bring a lot of happiness, good health and wealth on everyone's life. On this new year occasion, I wanted to bring a unique recipe which is a nice and juicy and wonderful tandoori chicken. So here I have planned to do 50 tandoori chickens for a marination. You're gonna see how I'm slitting the chicken, how the marination gets inside, what are the spices I'm gonna use to marinate this chicken. Hello everyone, this is me Hafiz. Welcome to Passionate Kitchen Cooking with Chef Hafiz. Let's have a look on processing chicken before marinating. Clean the chicken, dry the chicken up, have the excess fat which helps to give a nice flavor and a juiciness to a chicken. When you're doing a chicken for a tandoor, you have to be quite careful when you are slitting it up. Especially on your wings, the chicken will not be cooked. So you have to put a deep cut towards the bone across the breast from both the sides. Starts from a wing to one downside of the bone. So which helps the marination will get inside very deeply and taste good. When it comes to a leg, you need to be again careful because the leg doesn't cook so faster because the meat is quite red, little tough meat. So I have to take the knife and get the knife through the bone and the joint of the leg. The blood will be clot, it will not be get cooked so easier. So slit it across towards to the bone. It's a deep cut which is towards to the bone, which helps the meat will be cooked very faster and the marination will get stick very deeply inside and it will give a much better taste. So you can see I'm just taking the knife, getting it through the bone for a better marination and better cooking. I'm going to divide this marination into two stages. The first marination I'm going to do with ginger garlic paste, chili powder, salt and then lemon juice. So I'm going to apply all this mixture of all this marination on the first part and leave it for half an hour before going into one second marination. So have this marination applied each and every corner of the chicken wherever there is a split which has happened. It helps the salt and the spices will go inside and which gives an extra flavor and it tastes amazing. I'm taking extra efforts to apply this first marination in every part of chicken wherever there is a slit mark which is been done through, which really helps to get a nice flavor and a juicy and flavorful texture to a tandoori chicken. I just want to tell you out here, I'm not going to use any kind of food color in any of my preparations except the sweets that everyone knows about it. Similarly, I'm not going to use any kind of food color to get the red color in a tandoori chicken. I'm gonna use the natural spices to get the nice color to one tandoori chicken. Now once the chicken has been, first marination has been done, then leave it for 30 minutes. Let's begin to make a second marination. Have mustard oil followed by a Kashmiri chilli powder to get a nice red color of tandoori chicken. If you want spicy little, you can add little Degi mirchi also. Followed by Garam Masala, Jeera powder, Kasoori methi powder, Chat Masala, black salt, and then salt. Now finally I'm adding a ginger garlic paste to it and rub the masala along with the mustard oil to release the flavor into a mustard oil to get a nice and rich taste. Now finally I'm adding a curd along with it. Once the curd is being mixed along with the spices, the nice and rich creamy masalas, the spicy masala is ready. Now I'm gonna rub this masala to one first marinated chicken and soak it for at least 2 hours. Here I'm applying this marination in every cut. So from wings to one breast to one leg side. Let's soak it, as I said, at least the marination should be soak the chicken for at least 2 to 3 hours of time to get a nice flavor to one chicken. Follow the same process and make all 50 chicken marination should be ready and kept it in a refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, kindly subscribe and press bell icon and press all button to get all our video notifications. After 3 hours of marination, I'm just taking out from the refrigerator. I'm inserting the skewers to roast the chicken. All the chicken has been skewered and ready for roasting. Now, meanwhile, have your tandoor heaten up. It should be hot enough. Now I'm going to put the skewers inside the tandoor, the hot tandoor, to roast the chicken. If you don't have a tandoor, you can create a bonfire or a barbecue fire and you can roast the chicken easily in an open landscape. Approximately the whole chicken takes 40 to 50 minutes to get the chicken cooked. Once the chicken is half done, apply the butter over the chicken to avoid the dryness and the burning. So now you're gonna get nice and roasted and a smoky flavor. Tandoori chicken will be ready in 45 minutes of time. Guys, let's check it out. The 50 kg chicken, the tandoori roasted whole chicken is ready. Let's have a look on that. The charcoal roasted, the chicken is ready, looking so yummy. Let's check it out how that tastes. So I'm gonna taste the chicken. It looks so juicy and so tender, nicely roasted across. Let me try it out. Just mouth-watering kebab. So juicy, the water is dripping out. It's so yummy, it's so tender. It has a smoky flavor inside. The spices is so perfect. The spices, salt, the juiciness of the kebab, just amazing.